Master P, and I'd like to congratulate those who have started to learn about cryptocurrency. Shout out to Marco, December, Douglas, StockGoat. And learning financial literacy is very important. Get on your game. It's all about education, knowledge. Financial literacy is the truth. Salute.
Good future millionaires, we back with another banger, and as y'all can see, we got Shiba Inu down 7% right now for the day. This is a discount, as I like to say. So remember, if y'all new to the channel, you have to understand this is not financial advice. This is financial entertainment, education, whatever you want to call it, but you always have to do your own due diligence. If you are a returning subscriber, you know somebody been rocking with the channel, salute to y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me over the long run. We got a lot of new things coming to the channel, y'all. I've been really with my head down grinding right now, just getting a lot of behind the scenes work accomplished, but we about to go crazy. We are on our road to 20,000 subs, y'all. Stay tuned. We about to turn it up a notch. Also, Shiba Inu is being added to Webull. Right now it's able to be traded on the beta version, so a few people have access to that. If y'all are influencers like myself, you'll be able to trade it. I'm not actually signed in right now, but this is coming really soon. So if y'all want to check that out, if you aren't already a part of Webull, use the link in the description. You can get almost $1,800 in free stock, so you can sell them, turn it into crypto, buy more SHIB if that's what you want to do. The options are limitless. So let's see. Also, shout out to everybody that's been grabbing the course as well as my book that's available on Amazon right now. Email me if you want to get the course. Our book of the day is The Private Equity Playbook by Adam Coffey. You know, this is a very strategic book that I like to recommend. You know what I'm saying? I got a couple copies of this one. So what we have right now is the Shiba Inu chart on Webull. I want to show y'all this is a perfect buying opportunity. We are on a daily chart right now, the daily time frame. If y'all look, I have my Bollinger Band set up. Also have my RSI through up here. Volume is extremely low right now, but that's a good time to be buying in. But what I'm using as a buying indicator right now is that we are at the bottom touching this lower Bollinger Band on the daily chart, as well as being at a 40 on the RSI. Now remember, I told y'all in my previous videos, a 35 and below on the RSI considers it to be oversold. So you could wait just a little bit, you know, before you want to pull the trigger. You can wait for this to fall a little bit. Remember, this is not financial advice. You have to learn this yourself, you know, do your own due diligence, but this is just what I'm looking at. And, you know, it's a little bit more to it than this, but I'm trying to keep it simple for those that are beginning and, you know, just getting into crypto. I highly recommend y'all come in to use the Webull chart for these indicators that you can pull out. Basically start off with the Bollinger Band, RSI, volume. You'll want to get into MACD, VWAP, other things like that as well in the future. But for right now, this is a super discount. So once the price is down here on this lower band, that means the price is cheap for this asset. People consider it cheap for right now. So when it's up here, that means the price is considered expensive for where it's at. So right now, this price is fairly cheap. We've let it, you know, ride down. If you had patience, you know, if you've been buying a dip on the way down, that's fine as well. But if you have patience to, you know, hold out and just buy the dip here, this is a very good time, y'all. So just look over the last, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Almost the last 2 weeks, this is the best day you could have bought in. This is the biggest discount that you could have got. So if you are thinking to add to your position over the long term, if this is a long-term hold for you, right now would be a perfect time to buy more. If you bought in when those prices were through the roof, if you're one of those people that bought in up here at the top, right now is the time you want to be buying in. You know, this is not financial advice, but that you want to bring your average cost down. So let's come back over here. Check this out. Really, you know, we might only see it go to 683, the 683 level. So right now we're at the 7s. So you can wait a little bit until it pulls to the 6.8 level, buy the dip right there, or you can just, you know, add to your position right now. But that's why I told y'all this is a long-term hold for me. I told y'all I'm in Shiba Inu for 5 years plus. This is not something that I assumed would make, you know, everyone millionaires overnight. That's, if y'all go back to some of my original first Shiba Inu videos, I've been telling y'all this is a long-term hold. I know how the crypto space works. With something like this, this is a legit project. Yes, it's not operating right now the way everybody wants it to. You know, there's a lot of negative sentiment in the market right now. If for y'all that don't know, I'm a Fortune 500 marketer, so I'm looking at the overall sentiment or feeling that the market has towards the project or the coin right now, and it's not too good, y'all. I'll be honest, but that's just a part of crypto. You know, think about how the initial people who invested in Dogecoin felt, you know, 3 years ago after the price basically died off for 3 years. Some of y'all that are in Shiba Inu right now would have never made it to see the gains that the people inside Dogecoin that held on for those years. Some of y'all would never make it to see that because y'all are too impatient. Y'all think after 3 months something is supposed to make you a millionaire. It doesn't work like that. Yeah, you can get lucky depending on the amount that you invest into a project. If you put in just the right amount and it goes up, you know, X amount to equal being a millionaire, then yeah, you can hit like that. But if some of y'all put, you know, $1,000 in Shiba Inu and were expecting to become millionaires in 3 months, I'm sorry, y'all, it don't work like that. You have to have patience. Warren Buffett says time in the market beats timing the market every time. So I'm gonna just go from, you know, one of the GOATs and learn from him and, you know, look at my projects that I want to get into as long-term plays. So I always tell y'all, never risk more than you're willing to lose, so that way you're not panicking, checking on it every single day and you know, just thinking that, you know, it's the end of the world. Now, we're still very early in the crypto market. We have some corporate giants moving into the crypto space. Walmart, Amazon have been advertising to hire people. Microsoft was just granted a patent on creating basically new tokens. So Microsoft is awarded a US patent for crypto token creation service. So it's basically going to be an underlying platform that allows people to create and connect different tokens, you know, basically. So connect the dots, as I like to say. Walmart, Amazon are hiring for crypto positions. Microsoft is getting patents in crypto related for crypto related services. This is very big news, y'all. So, you know, the crypto market isn't going anywhere. What's happening right now is all the weak hands are being shaken loose. They're giving a few false pumps, you know, in some of these major projects, like, or not projects, but, you know, like the coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum. We'll see a week where they pump up to get some new money attracted into it. And then the whales and the, you know, whatever, the market makers, they take the money off the table. But what happens is that only the people who are in short term with paper hands lose out during that time. So if you're in this long term, you have nothing to worry about. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it's, you know, it's 100% gonna go to the moon or whatever, but what I'm saying is you don't have to panic like someone who's checking their portfolio or the token every single day. I don't recommend you invest like that. So Microsoft has been awarded a U.S. patent for software, it says, can help users develop blockchain applications by making it easier and more efficient to create crypto tokens for different distributed ledgers. According to the patent, creating and managing tokens is currently difficult and cumbersome due to the lack of standardization across different blockchains. So y'all know, you know, we got the Binance Smart Chain, we got, you know, the Ethereum network, you know, and all the different we got Solano, all the different blockchains. There's also a few sleeping giants that's coming right now too. We got Cardano out there, you know, things like that are creating their own blockchains and basically coming up to do something similar. But with Microsoft stepping into this, you know, Microsoft has a lot bigger budget than a lot of these other projects. So this is something I'm very interested in seeing. So we'll keep an eye on this. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for this. So also another big thing that's happening right now is, you know, the NFT space is growing very, very fast. So for y'all that don't know, I will be launching my first line of NFTs. If you want to enter a very exclusive early access to my NFTs that I'm going to be launching, email me at DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. So make sure y'all, that will be in the email. So reach out to me there for that. Also, if you want to get some Shiba Inu merch, check the link out for that. And y'all have to know that this is going to be a period where a lot of people are going to feel, you know, pain, as far as they're not going to see, you know, they're going to be in the red for a while. If you ask me, I think until October or at least January, we won't start to see some real movement and some of these altcoins like Shiba Inu. So, October's not too far away, basically pretty much only a month, really, but, maybe towards the end of October, sometimes we might start to see things pick up. Because what I'm looking at here is, the time from, where we start to see Shiba Inu have numbers on the map to where it basically went dead was about a 5-month period. So, let's look from here, from this time period. What is this? May. Another 5 months from May is October. And then, a lot of coins and projects, January is just a good time in general for, the market, especially once a lot of those reports come out. So I think we'll see, the market have a nice push then, especially when some of these new technologies and new disruptive platforms start to make a little more sense to the masses. I think the market will start to move a little bit faster, and we'll see that bull run pick up a little bit more. So just hold on tight. Let's see what we got in the Reddit. Check out. So I was looking at this post here. This is just letting me know that a lot of people aren't happy from what they're seeing right now with SHIB, and that tells me that it was a lot of people that jumped in this just because they seen those initial gains that people were posting, and the few millionaires that were being made out the gate. Because that guy jumped in with over $500,000, and I wouldn't have jumped in with over $500,000 in Shiba Inu. I'll be honest. I have a max that I will put in certain projects. Now this is one of those projects that I believe this can be a Dogecoin. I believe this can be that next sleeping Dogecoin over the next few years. So that's why I am heavily invested in Shiba Inu, but I don't think it will be something that's just gonna happen like overnight. Also, I want to say shout out to Master P, shout out to all the celebrities that are tapping in and working with me. We got a lot of big things that's coming up soon, with a lot of partners that I'm partnering with. I'll have some updates coming with, for that, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Also, next week I'll be having an interview with one of my students that made $20,000 in one day. That will be coming to the channel next week. We have some major updates. Also, shout out to the Genius Coin team and the Baby XRP communities. If y'all haven't checked those tokens out, make sure you do. I'll go over those Twitters in here quickly after we go through here. So we're at officially 211,000 members in the Reddit. The army is almost at 250,000, y'all. That's very big. So someone's saying end of week, end of month, see the pattern. So they're just highlighting the fact that we see this consolidation here before we see that breakout. They're saying that it'll be another one here, and we should see another breakout. Now, I don't think we'll return to all-time highs again in Shiba Inu, maybe until, the end of the year. And if not, then we might, it might be a year or two. It's that deep. But I'm not panicking about it because I've only invested what I'm willing to let sit there and marinate. But I believe those of us that do stay down for the come up, I believe will be rewarded for it, nicely. So SHIB is now tradable on Webull. It's not officially tradable to everyone. This is the beta version. Shout out to this person here in Arizona, I believe this is. Yep, Arizona. They got a Shiba Inu license plate on an Alfa Romeo. Nice, nice. They probably got that off Shiba Inu if they were early enough. Hey, we got a lot of big things coming up, y'all. Stay tuned. I got a lot of things I can't release in this video, but in this next few videos, y'all will be hearing more about it. So Shiba on Webull September 6th officially. So that's, in a little less than 2 weeks. So while if you go to Webull and see the number of people who want to buy SHIB on the beta testing is crazy. Like 15 to 20 people every 5 minutes, but they can only get so many and invite so many. SHIB is going to absolutely blow up from Webull once it's live in 11 days. So I definitely believe this is a very big catalyst. I will be loading the bag up now. Remember, buy the rumor, sell the news. Some of y'all are down so far because you don't know how to trade. If you knew how to buy low and sell high, you can make some of your money back and continue to buy those dips over a period of time and actually make money even with the price being down so low. So I wouldn't recommend those of you that are new you know, to investing and trading in crypto, I wouldn't recommend y'all to do that. But if you know what you're doing, then you know, y'all know what's up. You know what I'm saying? Buy the dip. You know what I'm saying? If it's a new all-time high and you can watch this chart here and you know how to understand that right here was a key signal that told us the price was about to dump because it broke through the top Bollinger Band. You could have sold off on your position there, not your entire position, but you could have had another wallet or something like that to trade in and make a little bit of money, and bought back in down here. So you buy at the bottom once it touches the Bollinger Band at the bottom, sell it once it start, you know, hitting this top area. Right here was, you know, ridiculous. It just blasted through, but you could have held through because that was super bullish, a super bullish sign right there. Kept moving up slowly, all the way up to these higher levels right here. So that's pretty much it for, you know, Shiba Inu. I want to update y'all on other things right now. Visa has bought a $150,000 CryptoPunk for its corporate collection and immediately triggered an NFT market rush. So this is major news, y'all. I'm telling y'all, the NFT market is about to go crazy. Starting this next week, we will be covering different NFT projects. Comment in the comment section if you have an NFT project that you think I should check out. The first comments will be the first NFT projects that I check out, guaranteed. So also, if you've watched this all the way through this video, through this part, comment hashtag all the way through. Salute to y'all, man. I'll be picking people for giveaways. We are doing the Genius Coin community outreach, basically giveaway. I'll be picking a winner each week, 1 to 2 winners each week to basically give a giveaway to, for basically promoting, getting the word out there. Also, we have some coming up pretty soon for Baby XRP. Stay tuned for that update on the channel. If you haven't joined my private group, private stock market game, you are missing out. You all should be closer to being millionaires if you have been following my plays. I've been calling fire plays since the beginning of this year, even before that with stock market plays. So get in that group, private stock market game on Facebook. The door is not actually open right now. There's about 1,000 members waiting in the waiting room, but I'm getting ready to possibly filter through there if you answer the questions correctly and let a few people in that, you know, deserve to be in. So if you ready, you know what I'm saying, to take it to the next level, join that group. Also, check out this Jay-Z's NFT for reasonable doubt just sold for about $140,000. This is crazy. If you want to enter the group of people that will have access to my first line of NFTs, make sure you email me at DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. I'm telling y'all, we have one of the biggest crypto communities already on YouTube outside of YouTube. So that Facebook group is already at 4,100 active members and growing. As soon as I'm ready to open up the door, we'll be, you know, potentially over 5,000 members. So make sure you follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. Shout out to Satoshi, who's just checking out, you know, their page over there, seeing what was going on. And, you know, the NFT market is moving, y'all. Shiba Inu NFTs are going crazy right now. If y'all haven't checked those out, make sure y'all do. So Satoshi Kasumo won the first art or die competition. Won 100 DAI for collecting. The winner, Satoshi, decided to donate his winnings back to the BNB Studios for future battles. So shout out to Satoshi for that. You know, a real one. Let's see what else we got over here. So just updating that Shiba Inu was ranked as number 10 as the most visited website on for July 2021. So also another update, you know, for y'all that heard about the hack, if y'all haven't heard, that the hacker gave a lot of those tokens back. You know, this is just it's the market, y'all. Remember, never risk more than you're willing to lose. You know, I also will be going into cold wallets, basically wallets where you can store your crypto offline, where it's inaccessible to hackers and people trying to basically steal your money. So be looking out for that, y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. That's all pretty much we have for this video. You know, we got NBA Top Shot going crazy with all their NFTs that they're making. Yo, I'm trying to tell y'all, this NFT is going to be very big. We have a lot of football players creating their own NFTs. Who was that? Patrick Mahomes just created his own line of NFTs. It's crazy, y'all. So make sure y'all come follow me here at DecemberDeMarco. Also, drop if you have a request you want me to get to for this next video. I'll be getting to that. Shout out to everybody that's, you know, jumping in on these plays, y'all. We making real money over here. If you follow my plays, you should be closer to becoming a millionaire. I don't know how much closer, but you know, you should be a lot of steps closer. So make sure y'all follow me. Come share, retweet these posts. Come be active on my page so I can see, you know, who's really rocking with me, and I might have something special for you. Appreciate y'all again. That's all we got for this video, and we are out.